Hello everyone, my name is Bill Anchado. Today we are talking about the what is the shout. Today's shout waves are many the popular or the most in the city or the countries. Should at all or the birds is singing in the mornings. The car is moving on the streets and in the young light, the afternoons, the morning, or the countries in evenings. Are you just excited for that? In this about the lessons? Are you the front out of page? The questions in the interesting fact, the question in here, if you think self-beautiful are the things interesting, curious, the curious, thoroughly, are you the wages? For the Emily, yes. Are you the work? Are the lessons with the brain? Or this be this had been there? Are the the actual forces necessary in it is. It shall are the return. Now let's have to the shout TV. Let's try a little shout on the movie can try. It is they mention to the shake or the little bit they can to the shore or the better time. The moving your stride or the viewings, the friend the lovings are the can to the shore and the stride to the shout are the nations in the which it works. We can see and let me see other regions. Me are the word is talking about. This is the shout wave. Are you the creative? Maybe creating to with as many spirit the drum or the relay or the guitar, the piano or the sounds good wave. Okay. We are the singing for your life by the power or the wit in the teacher or the spirits. We can drive by in the earth. Many is science, many is the activity in the earth, in the world, are the spirits. We can saw other anything, they can try and spirits, we are the shoot at all, or they watching TV or the business. Interesting fact for this, we can say are the regions. In the clothings, the sharp artist reach in the underline. I can choose be saw or the read new things, play the guitar had the sweet bass. And shockwave are the what have the variables in the trouble. The variables it is relation to the other meetings. A pass or the variable to get to be learned. It is airdrop. Airdrop in this are the frequency to us the variables or the variables to these things. Yeah, this is the features to different things about this like that. Are you sure are this interview, the pitch, the highness and the lowers? The highness are the wishes to use the same others the forces in the draw or do. Our pieces in the musical for this and the low pitches it is these did not use to the disappear. It which are used longness and quickness. Are you just excited for that industry? The finance. Okay, it just is to the intensity, the power for your life up is not as definitely in my life. The words are the pupil in the lining and the volume change when the sound waves are the bigger or the smaller. It is smaller when it is the wild or the switches in the sound are the four as if you can see this is very smooth, the smaller. We can add which is the interesting fact. We can see on the right on this and we can let me see. Add which is which each window. Add drums, we can add through the bombs or this the drum and the right or the which is it is dances. I think it is the dances for just the active mind range. The last review are the speed is changed. The wave have the virus to the trouble. It is the shouts. Shouts wave have the vibrations in the trouble. Shuffle, pitch, it is loudness or the fineness of the shout. I think it is true. Or the street or the fall. Its speed, it fall. Or the high pitch in its highest and lowest. For the pitch are the longerness. Is it the lowest of the highest of the shouts? It waves. Are you, this is the pitch or the shout on three volumes. Okay, volumes are the 1 or the 100. I think that's. Okay, 9 shock are the 4 sound, which is the full good shock are the listenings, and we heard comprehensions when I speak or in the lessons. They can treat it very, very vital and worship you next time. Take care, bye bye.